Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson Ball. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson Ball is struggling to clear blockages and is losing suction, you're not alone. This problem often arises due to hair or debris clogging the pipes, or a malfunctioning component within the machine. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, affecting the overall performance and lifespan of your vacuum cleaner. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth. Now, let's proceed with the repair. First, ensure your Dyson Ball is unplugged from the power source to avoid any accidents. Locate the screws on the base of the machine. These usually require a screwdriver to remove. Be gentle when taking them out, as over-tightening can strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the cover off, exposing the internal components. Next, identify the blockage. It's commonly found in the hose or the brush bar. Check for any visible obstructions and gently pull them out. If the brush bar is clogged, you may need to detach it. To do this, locate the release mechanism, often a simple latch or button, and pull it to free the bar. When replacing any components, make sure you align them correctly. If you notice any screws that have come loose, it's crucial to tighten them securely without overdoing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is in place, reattach the cover and screw it back down, ensuring it's secured but not overly tight. Finally, plug your Dyson Ball back in and perform a quick test to check if the suction has improved. If it's working well, you're all set. To prevent this issue from arising again, regularly check for clogs and clean the filters as per the manufacturer's instructions. Additionally, try to avoid vacuuming items like hair or large debris that can cause blockages. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.